All right, cadet, listen up. Welcome to your Starfleet Academy training module on array.prototype.copyWithin. Now, this is a command that offers some serious, unparalleled speed, but get it wrong and you're looking at catastrophic data loss. Let's engage.
Okay, let's get one thing straight. This isn't about making nice, safe copies of things. This is about overriding what's already there. It's a high-stakes maneuver that demands absolute precision. By the end of this briefing, you'll know how to deploy it without vaporizing your chief medical officer.
First things first, let's get familiar with our environment. Think of the array as the ship's primary buffer. This is where all our mission-critical data lives.
Now for the official Academy definition. copyWithin copies a sequence of array elements to another location within the same array. The key word there is same. This means the whole operation is direct, it's irreversible, and there is absolutely no safety net.
This slide really gets to the heart of it. Unlike a safe command like concat, which basically builds you a whole new ship, copyWithin operates on the existing hull. It's mutable. It changes the original data right where it sits. Yeah, that means high risk, but it also delivers incredibly high performance.
Okay, let's head over to the command console. Understanding this syntax is absolutely critical if you want to avoid, well, those transporter accidents we talked about.
So, the command protocol has three main parameters. First, you've got your target. That's your destination. Where is the data going? Second, you have the start position. That's your origin. Where are you copying from? And third, you have the end position. Now remember this, it copies everything up to but not including the end index. Got it?
Theory is one thing, cadet, but application, that's everything. Let's engage the simulator. We're going to run through two tactical scenarios where copyWithin is the only command that can get the job done fast enough.
Attention on deck. The USS Enterprise is taking heavy fire. Our rear shield harmonics are failing. We need to restore them, and we need to do it now.
Look at this buffer. Our front shields are holding strong at 100%, but the rear shields are critical, so we execute the command, copyWithin 202. This targets index 2 and copies from index 0 up to index 2. And the result? The healthy front shield values are instantly copied right over the failing ones.
And just like that, shield harmonics are normalized. See, we didn't add any new shields. We just realigned the energy within the existing buffer. That's a successful high-performance maneuver.
All right, now for something a bit more subtle. We're managing a medical tricorders data buffer. It holds 5 biosigns, and for a sensor calibration, we need to duplicate the first 2 readings.
Here's our biosigns array. We run the command copyWithin 202. So we're targeting index 2 and copying the first 2 elements. Alpha and beta get copied right over gamma and delta. The original data in those slots is gone, but notice, the array's length is exactly the same.
Now, cadet, we have to talk about the dangers, because if you misuse this command, the consequences are severe. This is a red alert briefing on mutability.
So, consider this. Your mission is to plot a course. Your coordinates are all locked into the navigation buffer. What happens if you make a tiny mistake?
This is the nightmare scenario. We accidentally target index 1 with the data from index 0. And just like that, the navigation coordinates for Vulcan have been permanently purged from the system, replaced by Earth. There is no undo button. There is no going back.
So always remember this. copyWithin never changes the size of your array. The hull integrity is constant. It just shuffles the deck chairs, overwriting whatever was there before.
So if this thing is so dangerous, why is it even part of the Starfleet toolkit? Well, the answer is simple. It offers unparalleled speed.
A standard for loop, that's like using impulse power. It gets the job done, but it moves things one by one by one. copyWithin is warp speed. It's optimized deep down at the core engine level to perform a single massive memory block copy. When you're processing millions of records, that difference is absolutely mission critical.
All right, cadet, let's bring it all home for your final debrief. It's time to solidify your understanding of this incredibly powerful tool.
Here are your orders. Remember, copyWithin is a specialist tool. It's mutable, it's destructive, and it will never, ever change the length of your array. You have to use it with extreme caution and precision. Always double-check your coordinates before you engage.
You now have access to a command of immense power and, yes, immense risk.
The real question is, where are you going to apply it with the kind of precision it demands? That's your directive. Dismissed.